Hey church, Pastor Matt here with a construction update. It's Tuesday, September 3rd, 2024, and a lot has changed. As you can see, the building is erected, and then inside they've started to frame it out. We're going to show you a little bit. As you first walk in, we've got the fellowship area. It's nice and wide, stretches from one end to the other. And then as you walk in this way, we've got the sanctuary. So pretty cool, nice and wide. There's still some things that need to be built out, the stage and sound booth and all of that. Make our way back into the fellowship area. This is going to be the children's wing down here. This is the offices. The church offices will be in here. Down this hall will be the children's wing. First door, we have a conference room and a private bathroom here. And then we come to our nursery. Our nursery has two big windows so everybody can see in. We want lots of light and lots of visibility for our kids. So there's the nursery area. Then next down here you have one of the kids' rooms. Similar, have a nice wide window and outside windows for lots of light. Pretty fun. And then this will be a large classroom here on the end. Would be used for studies and overflow and things going on like that. So pretty neat. This next week they're going to be framing out the rest of it and then starting to frame out the stage and the sound booth and other places like that. And so just wanted to give you a quick update. We'll give you more as things progress. God bless you. Have a wonderful week. Please keep everybody in prayer. Take care.